am the saddest of mortals in France.
But why, milady?
Oh, Teresa, I am so downhearted. My father has me betrothed to the Baron de Lansfield, and I can't stand him.
But he's such a catch.
Yep. My heart belongs to another, Pierre de Berly. Ever since I met him, I can't get him out of my mind.
Yvonne.
Oh, Pierre, you shouldn't have come. You're flirting with danger. They will surely find you out. Your head is much too valuable.
'Tis Cupid himself that brought me here, and I, smitten by his arrow, must come charging to your side, despite the threats of Madame la Guillotine.
But the night is full of our enemies.
Imperious princess of the night, I love you.
Oh, Pierre.
I love you. 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 What's this? Yvonne, captured by the Rouge Noir of the Purple Terror? Oh no, my sword. I must fly to her side.
Pierre will save me.
Pierre is miles away, my wench.
No, no, no.
Yes, yes, yes.
No, no, no.
Yes, yes, yes.
No, no, no.
Yes, yes, yes.
No, no.